Yeah, so I think one of the biggest success story for me is that I finally managed to get to the point of being able to really relax my eyes. And I've been doing palming and sunning for months. But it's only when I started to meditate and close my eyes and just really relax the whole body, that's when my eyes started to really relax and I could see the difference. I mean, I could feel the difference. I don't necessarily see the difference because I don't feel my eyesight is improving, but I think unless I relax the eyes, then nothing else is gonna work really. So I think um, to everyone who's doing, who has just started the course, or if you have been doing course previously, I would say that really work on the relaxation because this is what's changing the whole thing for me. It's really important. And it's not only about doing 10 minutes of palming, it's really about sitting down and just kind of really letting go, being very mindful and aware of all the muscles around the eyes. So that's my success story that I finally managed to start relaxing my eyes.